No, keep doing it. I want to get a video of it.
No.
It doesn't work if you're over here by the camera. Okay, I will flip the camera around so you can see. Now go tickle your brother.
Save money, drive better.
Tony, what are you doing to him?
To make him laugh. I'm making him laugh.
You sure are. Don't shake him too hard, buddy. Be gentle with him. Oh, hi, baby.
Hey, mommy. He's my daddy.
He is your Didi.
I'm still laying him up and hugging him.
You are. He's gonna eat your face.